Hi there, I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe, and in this quick crochet lesson I will show you how to single crochet an invisible decrease. We insert our hook in the front loop of the next stitch and then slightly pull it down to insert it in the front loop of the stitch next to it. So now we've got 3 loops on our hook. And we pick up the yarn and pull it through both front loops. And then we pick it up again and pull it through the 2 remaining loops on our hook. And here's our invisible decrease. So let's repeat that in slow-mo. We insert our hook in the front loop of the next stitch, and then by slightly pulling our hook down we'll be able to insert it in the front loop of the stitch next to it. So then we have 3 loops on our hook and we pick up the yarn and pull it through the 2 front loops and then complete our single crochet by picking it up again and pulling it through the 2 remaining loops. Now we have a neat decrease without any gaps or bulky spots in our work. I hope you found this little lesson helpful. Make sure to comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating!